Hi, at first I wanted to write it in an article, but then I thought that it would be quite difficult to understand what to do and how to do if you read this. So I have decided to record video to show you how you can use Notepad++ for good text editing. So the first thing I want to talk about is multi-line editing. Multi-line editing here can be used to edit multiple lines at once. So to use this multi-line editing, you should press Alternative K, then click mouse button and scroll through lines you want to edit. So for example, you have some SQL request and you can edit all lines at once. You can comment all the lines. Alright, this line is commented. So sometimes this is quite useful and quite interesting to use. Okay, you can uncomment this line back. The second way to use it, you can use for editing text. So once again, press Alt, Alternative keyboard, scroll through lines, and then oh no, I have selected it once again. Alt, scroll. Okay, so this is the way how you can edit it. Then again, Alternative, select, you can edit. So this is the very easy and interesting way to edit. Okay, let's move on. It's replacement. I want to talk about replacement. So if you press Ctrl H, you can replace something. For example, you can Alice replace for princess. Okay, replace all. Okay, everything is replaced. Okay, but it's not the most interesting things that you can use for replacement. You can use some regular expression. I will not show it because you can find this information by yourself. And the most interesting things is editing in multi files. So you can make a replacement in a lot of files at once. So you can select folder. So here specify folder. Filters, it's a mask. For example, only txt files, and then you can replace. So it could be some ID of release. You can replace to new ID of release. Okay, so this way you specify folder, you specify filter, you specify one field and second field, and you can replace in all files. So this provides like good opportunity if it's necessary to replace something in a lot of files. Okay, that's all. And the last thing, but the most interesting and most important, it's macros. It's when you can record some set of actions and then reproduce the set of action. And I have prepared a couple of examples to show you how to do this. For example, we have some variable, and we want to write like variable is equal to something, like to the same variable in the braces. Okay, so how can you do this? So the first way, you can do this manually. You can start to write all the things, variable a, but as you can see, it takes some time to do this. So there's the better way. Okay, so let's use macros. Let's put cursor to the first line. Let's click record. Okay, so macros start recording. So everything that we do now is recorded from macros. So first things is to select a world. So to select this world, let's press Control Shift and right arrow. Then let's copy. To copy, we click Ctrl C. Then once again to the right side, spacebar is equal spacebar. Let's write this command, Ctrl V, and that's it. And in the end, I propose to click down and home to move to the beginning of the next line. After this, you can stop recording, and after this, you can play this as many times as you want. Play, 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 play. So you can do a lot of things using this way. And what is very interesting that you can save current recorded macro. For example, variable, and you can assign hotkeys Control, Shift, and 1, for example. Control, Shift, and 1. Then let's press Ctrl Z and try Control, Shift, 1. Control, Shift, 1. It doesn't work. Anyway, we have here the list of macros. You can run it this way. I don't know why it doesn't work. It's supposed to work. Let's try to modify our macros. Edit, modify. Let's assign the other letters. For example, A. Better alternative Shift plus A. Okay. So we had updated this. Alt Shift A. Well, now it works. Okay, the second example. For example, we have some list of values from database, and it's necessary to transform this record to this record. So transform just record in tables to some queries. So again, we can start. What we can do here, we can start recording. Control Shift right. We have edited the world. Control X to remove this word. Delete to remove dot. Then let's write select space, then Control right from Control V, where ID is equal to primary key, and move to the next line, down home. Okay, we have created macros. After this, we can play and it will change. For example, it could be some other tables. Customer table, gift, or anything like this. So we are moving back to the beginning of the line. Play, and we have modification. So by the help of macros, you can create some set of macros that you often use. For example, let's save this macros also. Save current macro. Alt Shift, and let's use some B command. Name SQL request. Okay, you can create some set of macros for editing of text for the commands, for the tasks that you often use, and then just use it by clicking different buttons. So it can help you to save a lot of time and a lot of efforts. So thank you for your attention.